relying on a simple online calculator can be a costly mistake. Each tractor-trailer collision case is unique, with various factors influencing the final compensation amount. I'm attorney Tim Semelroth with RSH Legal. Being involved in a truck accident can be a traumatic experience, often resulting in significant physical, emotional, and financial burdens. If you or a loved one has been injured in a tractor-trailer crash in Iowa, understanding the potential compensation available to you is essential. Truck accident injury compensation refers to the financial reimbursement victims may be eligible to receive to cover their harms and losses resulting from a truck accident. Compensation can encompass various elements, including medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, loss of physical or mental function, property damage, and rehabilitation costs. Calculating fair compensation after a semi-wreck is a complicated process that involves multiple factors. Some of the key factors that can influence the amount of compensation you may receive in Iowa include severity of injuries, the extent of your injuries, and the impact that they have on your life will play a significant role in determining what constitutes fair compensation. Severe injuries typically result in higher compensation than temporary minor injuries. Medical expenses. Medical treatment after a semi-truck collision is a major factor in determining fair settlement value. Most people involved in an 18-wheeler wreck can get legal compensation for medical treatment, including surgeries, hospital stays, therapy, and medications. Lost wages. If your crash-related injuries prevent you from working or reduce your earning capacity, a settlement or verdict can include money for lost wages and loss of future earning capacity. Property damage. Compensation should include repair or replacement costs for damaged property such as your vehicle or personal belongings. Loss of physical or mental function. If a truck accident injury results in loss of full function of the body and/or mind, Iowa law allows injured parties to seek compensation for that category of loss. Pain and suffering. Non-economic damages like physical pain, emotional distress, and the loss of enjoyment of life are also considered in compensation calculations. Comparative fault. If you are found to be partly at fault for the crash, your compensation may be adjusted based upon the percentage of responsibility assigned to you. After a truck accident, multiple insurance companies will likely become involved. Some are not surprising, like the auto insurance companies for the truck driver or the victim. Some insurance carriers, however, can be unexpected, like the victim's health insurance or the victim's workers' compensation insurance. Under Iowa law, the interests of all the insurance companies must be accounted for in any settlement negotiation. It's important to note that the trucking company's insurance will likely try to minimize its liability in the crash and offer settlement amounts that do not fully cover your harms and losses. Unless you know how much your case is worth, you may not be able to determine if you are being lowballed. This is where an experienced Iowa truck accident lawyer can become a critical part of your case. While there are online tools claiming to be truck accident injury compensation calculators, it's essential to approach them with caution. These calculators often involve generic formulas and cannot accurately assess the specific details of your case. For example, medical records may document important settlement factors like recorded pain levels or work restrictions. If a settlement calculation does not involve a page-by-page evaluation of a truck accident victim's medical records, it is typically of little value. Relying on online settlement calculators may lead to severe misunderstandings about the actual value of your claim. Truck accident cases are unique and require a thorough examination of all the factors to determine an appropriate compensation amount. Seeking guidance from an experienced Iowa truck accident attorney is the best way to understand the potential compensation that you may be entitled to. A qualified attorney should 1. Conduct a comprehensive case evaluation. Your attorney should review the details of your accident, including police reports, medical records, and witness statements, to determine the true value of your claim. 2. Assess long-term implications. An attorney should consider the long-term impact of your injuries, ensuring that you receive fair compensation for ongoing medical treatment, rehabilitation, and loss of future earning capacity. 3. Negotiate with your insurance companies. Your attorney should handle all negotiations with the insurance companies on your behalf, aiming to secure a settlement that adequately covers your losses. 4. Pursue litigation if necessary. If a fair settlement cannot be reached through negotiations, your attorney will need to be prepared to take your case to court and advocate for your rights in front of a judge and jury. Truck accident injury compensation is a complex matter, and relying on a simple online calculator can be a costly mistake. Each tractor-trailer collision case is unique, with various factors influencing the final compensation amount. To ensure that you receive the maximum compensation that you deserve, it's crucial to consult with an experienced Iowa truck accident attorney. They will provide personalized guidance, evaluate your case in a comprehensive manner, and work tirelessly to protect your rights and secure the compensation that you need to rebuild your life after a life-changing truck accident. RSH Legal offers free, no-obligation case evaluations for Iowa truck accident victims and their families. To schedule yours, call 1-800-433-0283 today.